Hello friends. In this video, we are going to learn how to use ChatGPT to generate questions for a quiz. ChatGPT is a generative AI tool that helps in creating solutions to queries for various purposes. For example, you can write articles and codes, format information, extract data from files, brainstorm ideas, and you can do many more. Open a browser such as Chrome or Firefox. Search for ChatGPT on the search engine or directly visit this URL of ChatGPT. You must log into the ChatGPT portal to use it. When you land on the ChatGPT portal, you have to write a prompt. Prompt is a query that you have to enter to get a response. So to write a better AI prompt, always use the following rules. Specify the requirement, clarify the topic, consider extras, and enhance the result. Based on these specifications, I have created one prompt example for this query that reads this way. A primary school is holding a quiz for 10 years old students. The student may be from different classes as the quiz is general in nature. Create 8 multiple choice questions about ancient civilizations such as Indus civilization, Mesopotamia, Egypt, and so on. You may include other civilizations also. Spread the questions across different civilizations where there are not more than 2 questions from a single civilization. Each question must have 4 options containing 1 correct answer. Highlight the right answer for me. Now, I will take you to the website directly. This is the website of ChatGPT. This ChatGPT is a simple application. This is the text box area where you have to write your prompt. Write a prompt. Here. And these are the reasons for which you can use your ChatGPT. I have already written one sample, so we'll copy that sample prompt here and go ahead. So to get the response, press the enter key on the keyboard or click this run button. In a few seconds, you will get the response to your query. And here are 8 questions with 4 multiple answers. And 1 correct answer has been highlighted. Wow. I hope that using this ChatGPT and this kind of prompt, you can easily create your other sets of questions. Thank you for watching our video.